Title: The Honda Vario, Smart Performance Meets Style. Intro: Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we dive into one of the most popular scooters in Southeast Asia, the Honda Vario. Known for its sleek design, reliable performance, and modern features, the Vario continues to dominate city streets and capture the hearts of riders everywhere. Design and build. The Honda Vario stands out with its sharp, aerodynamic styling and premium finish. Its LED lighting setup, from the headlamp to the taillight, enhances both visibility and aesthetics. The scooter's compact frame makes it easy to handle in traffic, while the spacious under-seat compartment provides practicality for everyday commuting. Performance and efficiency. Powered by a refined ESP plus 125 cubic centimeters or 160 cubic centimeters engine, depending on the variant, the Vario delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. Honda's idling stop system helps conserve fuel by automatically turning off the engine during stops, making it ideal for urban environments. Combined with a CVT transmission, it ensures effortless and responsive rides. Technology and features. The Honda Vario comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, giving riders real-time information on speed, fuel, and trip data. The Smart Key system adds convenience and security with keyless ignition and an anti-theft alarm. USB charging ports and advanced braking systems further enhance the scooter's modern appeal. Comfort and handling. Designed for comfort, the Vario's ergonomic seating and balanced suspension offer a smooth experience, even on uneven roads. Its lightweight frame allows easy maneuverability, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders navigating city streets. Conclusion. The Honda Vario isn't just a scooter, it's a statement of practicality, efficiency, and modern style. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, the Vario delivers the reliability and innovation Honda is known for. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Empire, where passion meets performance. Ride safe and see you in the next review.